So we wrapped up episode 1, which showed the complete deconstruction of this 3500. We are starting episode 2, which is super exciting. We've got all our pieces painted and ready to go, and we're gonna start putting the entire thing together. There's a lot of moving parts for this entire build. Let's get into it. So we've got the frame in the shop here. Right now, Nathan is over there digging parts out of our mountain of parts. Our first goal this week is to get this entire thing assembled as a complete roller chassis. The engine is coming at the end of the next week, so we're gonna get that set in, but it would be great to have this thing on its own weight for that to happen. Right now, I'm gonna go help Nathan dig some parts off the shelf.
What are you doing? What are you doing there? I go clean the surface. Real nice. Wow. Wow. Wow.
So we just put the cab and bed on our chassis. And you know what that means? That means it's the end of our second episode. If you didn't realize it already, there is a first episode and you should go watch that too, because that outlines kind of the project. I'm super pumped about episode 3 because we're gonna do the final assembly, finishing touches on this entire project. This thing has been a total blast, and seeing this on the ground just gets me thirsty to have this thing completely finished up. If you have any comments, be sure to leave them. Also, follow us on all of our social channels. See ya.